That. Good morning, grade twos.
Good morning. Good morning.
How are you this morning?
We are blessed of the Lord.
Thank you. I am blessed. Thank you. I want to welcome you to the 1st of February, a new month. Welcome to the 1st of February, a new month. Today is 1 February and our lesson is Maths and Science. Today we are going to learn revision. Let's write that down. I'm going to mute you all and then we'll unmute you when we start. Maths and Science revision. Maths and Science revision. Maths and Science revision. Today, we want to revise. We are done with the first topic for Maths and Science. I want to see how much you can remember. How much can you remember before we go to the next topic? How much can you remember in Maths and Science? Maths and Science revision. Good. Alwanda is done. Yes, when you are done, please put a thumbs up. When you are done, put a thumbs up. Maths and Science revision. Yes, good, Palesa. I can see Palesa is done. When you're done, the thumbs up, keep them coming. Keep the thumbs up coming. Yes, Trelo, thank you. I can see the thumbs up. Luyando, right? Luyando. Prudence, I unmuted you. Please don't unmute. You unmute yourself, all right? Because now you are sneezing there. I can hear you. Maths and Science revision. Darren, good. I can see the thumbs up. Good, Darren. Let's write together. Today's lesson, everyone will talk. It's a lesson where we are going to keep talking up to the end because we are revising everything we have done since we opened on Maths and Science. Can I see the thumbs up when you are done? Please put a thumbs up. Yes, Luyando, are you done? Can I see the thumbs up when you are done? Yes, yes. Leslie, I cannot see you properly. Please move your device. I'm seeing the table there. Leslie, now you can unmute yourself. If you are done, you can unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. We want to start learning now. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Don't make noise. Just unmute yourself. Then we are going to start our revision. Good, Luyando. Prudence. Can you unmute yourself? When you unmute, don't talk. I can see others are now talking there. Don't talk. Just unmute yourself. Darren, unmute yourself. Darren and Palesa. Palesa, unmute yourself. Palesa, unmute yourself, Palesa. You touched that button down there, Palesa. I taught you. I hope you still remember. Now, whose device is making noise? There is music. Whose device is making noise there? All right. Okay. Do you remember the first topic that we did in Maths and Science? We did, who can read these two lines at the top, these two words at the top? This was the first lesson that we did. Yes, Palesa, what did we do?
Long and short.
Yes, we talked about long and short. Let's together, long and short. Together. Long and
short.
yes, long and short. And I said long is something that is, you can see it, it's longer. Can you see? And then short, it's a bit shorter. Can you see? Yes. We said longer. Yes. Look at Palesa. Palesa has 2 pencils. If you look at this finger and you look at that one, this finger is long, this one is short. Okay. Yes, we did long and short. All right. Here are my pictures. Who can tell me number one? Number one. The first one is A. This one is
Short.
A. This one is B. A is short. Then B is
Long.
B is long. Good. Let's go to number 2. These are snakes. Can you see my snakes there? Yes, my snakes. Let's talk about A. A is
Long.
long. B is
Short.
B is short. Yes. A is long. B is short. Then number 1, A is short. B is long. Good. We are still continuing with long and short. Can you look at my comms? Look at A. Put up your hand and tell us A is dash. Put up your hand. Yes, Kiara.
A is long.
Yes, good. Then Prudence. B is Prudence.
Short.
B is short. Good. We are looking at long and short. Darren. A is Darren.
Is long.
A is long. Then B is Makosayeza. B is
Short.
B is short. Good, good. I can see people still remember. Wonderful. Now I want someone, remember we did long and short, and then we had our second topic. Who can remember, who can read this one? These words at the top. This was our second topic in maths and science. Stelo?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Stelo. Read, Stelo.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Stelo.
Yes, teacher.
Read, Stelo.
Yes, teacher. Yes,
Oh,
teacher.
Stelo, you
Yes, teacher.
I cannot hear Stelo. Unmute yourself,
Yes,
Stelo.
teacher.
All right, Palesa. Palesa, can you read for us? Palesa, read.
Wide and narrow.
Wide and narrow together. Wide and narrow
Wide
together.
and narrow.
Yes, wide and narrow. Again.
Narrow. Wide and narrow.
Good. Wide and narrow. Who can show me something wide? Who can show me with their hands something wide and something narrow? You remember we were using the hands and I said, this is wide, this is narrow. Who can tell us? Show us wide, show us narrow. Yes, let's see. Yes, Palesa. Palesa, show us wide.
Wide, narrow.
Yes, wide and narrow. Show us wide. Wide is bigger. Okay. Wider is bigger. Wide. And then narrow. Then narrow. It goes smaller. Let's go wide. Open your hands, open your arms, open, wide. Then close them for narrow, close. Narrow. Good. All right. Now, who hasn't told me? Okay, Fernando, tell me. A is dash, B is dash. Yes, Kiara?
I have something in white.
Kiara, we want to move on. You show us at the end of our lesson.
A is long.
No, now we are looking at wide and narrow, Luyando. Wide and narrow. So A is dash. Is it wide or it's narrow? Look at A and B. Which one is wide? Which one is narrow? We said wide, you open it, it has a little space. Then narrow is a smaller space. Yes, Leslie?
A is wide.
No, is A wide? No.
B is narrow.
Yes, A is narrow. B is wide. Together, can you see? A is narrow. Can you see the space there? Look at the space. B is much wider. A, can you see? B, can you see? So A is narrow. B is wide. Can you see? A is narrow. B is wide. Yes. We are doing our revision. Remember? Let's go to number 6. Who can tell me A and B? Which one is narrow? Which one is wide? Can we have someone who can say anything?
Yes, teacher.
Leslie? Yes, Leslie? A is?
White.
Yes, A is wide. B is, Leslie?
Narrow.
B is narrow. Good, Leslie. A is wide. B is narrow. Well done. People still remember. Yes, good. We are still doing narrow and wide, okay? Someone is calling me. Who is calling me? Okay, all right. We are moving on. Now I want you to tell me, we are ordering from the narrowest to the widest, okay? I have my letters. Who can read this letter? Which letter is this one?
K.
K. This letter?
K. H.
This letter H. And this letter?
L.
L. So which one is narrow between K, H, and L? We want to do the orders now from the narrowest to the widest. Who can tell me which letter is narrow? Which letter is narrow? Liam, you are daydreaming there. Remove your hand from your chin,
Yes,
Liam.
teacher.
Tell us, Liam, which one is narrow there? Liam?
L. L.
Liam?
L.
Yes, L is narrow. So L is number 1, followed by which letter? Followed by which one? Yes, Darren?
H.
Followed by H. And which one is the widest? The last one, Leslie?
K.
K. Good, good. All of you still remember. So when we are ordering from narrow to wide, we say L is the first one. L is narrow, followed by H, and then K is the third one. Okay, good. You can still remember. All right. Okay. If I remember, after talking about narrow and wide, we talked about shapes. Do you remember the plane shapes? Do we remember the plane shapes? Yes. Do you remember the plane shapes? All right. I want you to be thinking about the plane shapes. Plane shapes. If you can remember the plane shapes. I have a shape, number 8. What is that shape? Number 8, put your hand up. What is the shape in number 8? What is the shape? Yes, yes, Makosaeza. What is the shape?
Rectangle.
It's a rectangle. Good. Number 9, what is that shape? Number 9, Leslie, what is the shape, Leslie? Number 9, a square. Good. Number 10, number 10, Luyando. A triangle. These are plane shapes. These are plane shapes. Hold it right there. We are going to come back to the plane shapes. All right. We learned after the plane shapes, we learned about something else. Who can read this at the top? We learned about something else after the plane shapes. What did we learn about? Read, Kiara.
Solid shape.
Together, solid shapes. Solid shapes. Who can tell me what is this solid shape called?
Rectangular prism.
What is this solid shape called?
Rectangular prism.
All right, wait. I have muted people. I think there is I have an echo there. All right, let's unmute ourselves again. Unmute yourself. Yes, this is a rectangular prism. Well done, Kiara. A rectangular prism. It is made up of rectangles. Can you see? There are rectangles, 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 rectangles there. A rectangular prism. It's a rectangular prism. Yes, we are not yet talking about the corners. We are going to talk about that. We are still revising back. We are going back, if you can still remember. Who can tell me number 12, what we call number 12? A cube. A cube. Together, a cube. A cube. A cube is made up of... Yes, what makes a cube? Which plane shape makes a cube?
Square.
A square, yes. Yes. A cube is made out of squares. Can you see a square, a square, a square there, a square below, a square at the back there? Good. You still remember. I have another solid shape. I have another solid shape. What is this solid shape called? Let me there are people who haven't unmuted themselves. Please, can you unmute yourself? I'm still trying to unmute. What is it called? A cylinder. Good. A cylinder. Yes. What did we say is the shape of a cylinder at home? Where can you find a cylinder in the house?
At the toilet.
In the toilet. What is there in the toilet that looks like a cylinder? What is there in the toilet that looks like a cylinder? A tissue. Good. Yes. If you look at the tissue roll itself looks like a cylinder. Even the paper, yes. Good, Kiara. Kiara is showing us the tissue. Can you see the cylinder? Hold it upright, Kiara. Hold it upright. Good. It is a cylinder. Good. Yes. It looks like I have an echo again. I'm going to mute you all again, then we'll unmute ourselves. Sorry. I have an echo. All right. Let's unmute ourselves. This is a cylinder. A cylinder looks like a tissue roll or a tissue paper. If you hold it like this, like how Kiara is holding it, it makes the shape of a cylinder. Good. What about this?
Box.
Yes, thank you, Kiara. What about number 14? What is this solid shape called?
A cone.
A cone.
Oh.
Yes, Leslie, a cone. What reminds you of a cone? What reminds you of a cone?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Good. Ice cream. Yes, I can see Leslie is smiling. When you hold the cone like this, let's lick our ice cream. Oh, unfortunately, it's not there. Let's lick our ice cream. Yes, you are holding the cone and you are licking your ice cream. Good. All right. I'm still looking for another one. I want us to go back to the plane shapes. I want us to go back to the plane shapes. So the one who is going to be giving us an answer, you unmute yourself because I'm having an echo. So that's why I am muting you. Who can tell us how many sides do we have on a rectangle? How many sides are there on a rectangle? We learned about sides, we learned about corners. It was our last topic. How many sides do we have on a rectangle?
Oh.
4 sides. There we go. 2, 3, 4. Together, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners? How many corners do you have on a rectangle?
4.
How many corners?
4.
Let's count
4.
them. 1, 2,
1, 2, 3,
4.
4.
1, 2, 3,
2,
4.
3,
Good.
4.
Let's go to the square. How many sides does a square have?
4.
It has 4 equal sides. And how many corners does it have?
4.
4. Let's look at a triangle. How many sides does a triangle have?
3.
3 sides. And how many corners does it have?
3.
3 corners. Okay, I am thinking of a shape. I am thinking of a shape. This shape goes round and round and round and round. Round and round. It's a circle. Good. I am thinking of a shape. This shape has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. What is the shape? I am thinking of a shape. It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. What is the shape? Let me
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Good. Yes. A rectangle. I am thinking of a shape. This shape. I haven't told you the shape. I haven't told you. This shape has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. What is the shape?
Rectangle.
No, it's not a rectangle. It is a square. A square is 4 equal sides, 4 sides, and 4 corners. All right. Good. Well done to all of you. You still remember. You still remember what we learned about. So who can tell me today, what did we learn about today? We're revising. What can you still remember? I want everyone to have something to say. Please unmute yourself. Unmute yourself so that everyone will have a chance. I will go line by line. So I'll start with Kiara there. Yes, Kiara, what did you?
Wide and narrow.
Wide and narrow. Good. Let's go to Liam. Liam, unmute yourself.
Long and short.
Long and short. Good. What else can you remember, Palesa? Now there is a device that is making noise. Is it yours, Liam? Now there is, what can you remember? What did we learn about? What do you remember? Yes, Darren? Darren?
Math and science revision.
Yes, we did math and science revision. Good, Palesa. Darren? Yes, Darren?
Shape.
We learned about shapes. Which shape do you remember, Darren? Which shape did we talk about? A square.
Square.
Yes, Prudence. What did we learn about today?
Rectangle.
The rectangle.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Good, I can hear rectangle. Leslie, what did you learn about today? Because today we were revising everything we've learned in maths and science still since. Yes, Leslie? Leslie? A cylinder, yes, a solid shape, a cylinder. Who can give me another solid shape that we learned about other than a cylinder?
A cone.
A cone, good. Another solid shape that is made out of rectangle.
A circle.
A circle is a plain shape. I want a solid shape that is made from a rectangle. What is it called?
Pyramid.
No, not the pyramid. It's made from a rectangle, but yes, the pyramid is there. We learned about the pyramid. Yes, good. Another shape that is made of rectangles, that is a solid shape. Kiara, you know it. Kiara, it starts with an R and a P. What is it called?
Rectangular prism.
Rectangular prism. What about that one that is made of squares? It starts with a C, K. What is it called?
Cube.
A cube. Good. Thank you, Palesa, Darren, Prudence, Makosi, Kiara.
I said I have something white.
All right, I will see it later. All right, let's meet again at 2:30. What time are we meeting again? 2:30. 2:30. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.